AI is reshaping industries faster than ever, automating tasks, replacing jobs, and changing the way we work. But here's the good news: not every job is at risk. In fact, some careers are not only safe from AI takeover, but they're also set to thrive because of it. In this video, I'll break down 8 jobs that AI cannot replace, roles that depend on human creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and skills that machines just can't replicate. Healthcare jobs like doctors and nurses are among the safest from AI takeover because they rely heavily on human judgment, empathy, and hands-on care. While AI can assist with diagnostics, data analysis, and even suggest treatment options, it cannot replace the trust, emotional connection, and physical skills required when treating patients. A nurse's ability to comfort someone in pain and a doctor's judgment in handling complex or unique cases demand human presence and adaptability that technology simply can't replicate. Instead of replacing these roles, AI will likely serve as a powerful tool to support healthcare professionals, making their work more efficient. Teachers in grades 1 to 12 are safe from AI takeover because their role goes far beyond simply delivering information. While AI can provide study materials, quizzes, or even personalized learning recommendations, it cannot replace the human connection, mentorship, and adaptability that teachers bring to the classroom. Educators shape young minds by fostering curiosity, building social and emotional skills, and guiding students through challenges in ways that require empathy, patience, and real-world experience. AI may assist teachers with administrative tasks, but the nurturing, motivating, and leadership aspects of education remain uniquely human. Event planners, especially those organizing weddings and funerals, are safe from AI takeover because these occasions require deep emotional understanding, cultural sensitivity, and a personal touch that technology cannot provide. Planning a wedding involves listening to a couple's unique story, translating their vision into meaningful details, and managing unpredictable dynamics between families and guests. Similarly, funeral planning requires compassion, comfort, and the ability to support grieving families through one of life's most difficult moments. While AI can help with logistics like scheduling or budgeting, it cannot replicate the human intuition, emotional support, and nuanced decision-making that event planners offer. Chefs are safe because cooking is as much an art as it is a skill, requiring creativity, intuition, and cultural expression that machines cannot replicate. While AI can follow recipes or even automate certain kitchen tasks, it lacks the ability to innovate flavors, adapt dishes to a diner's preferences, or infuse meals with personal style and cultural significance. Chefs also create experiences, whether it's the atmosphere of a fine dining restaurant or the comfort of a family meal, that go far beyond simply preparing food. Their ability to experiment, improvise, and connect with people through taste ensures that the heart of cooking remains a distinctly human craft. Childcare workers are safe from AI takeover because caring for children requires warmth, empathy, and human connection that technology cannot provide. Young children thrive on emotional bonding, comfort, and the reassurance that comes from a trusted caregiver's presence, something no machine can replicate. Beyond supervision, childcare workers nurture social skills, creativity, and emotional development through play, storytelling, and one-on-one interactions tailored to each child's needs. While AI may assist with scheduling or educational tools, the compassion, trust, and human touch central to childcare remain irreplaceable. Veterinarians are safe because their work involves a unique blend of medical expertise, hands-on care, and emotional support for both animals and their owners. While AI can help analyze medical data, it cannot physically examine a pet, perform surgeries, or provide the gentle reassurance that animals often need during stressful visits. Vets rely on intuition, experience, and real-time problem-solving to treat creatures that cannot clearly communicate their pain or symptoms. They also guide and comfort pet owners, offering empathy and advice tailored to each situation. This combination of technical skill, compassion, and adaptability makes the role of veterinarians firmly human and safe from automation. Firefighters and paramedics are safe from AI takeover because their jobs demand rapid decision-making, courage, and human intuition in unpredictable, high-stakes situations. Emergencies like fires, accidents, and medical crises often involve chaotic environments where quick thinking, physical strength, and adaptability are essential, qualities that AI and machines cannot fully replicate. Firefighters must navigate dangerous conditions, rescue people, and make judgment calls in seconds, while paramedics provide critical hands-on care and compassion to patients in distress. Both roles require empathy and the ability to comfort individuals during life-threatening moments. AI may support with equipment or data analysis, but the human bravery and instinct at the heart of these professions make them irreplaceable. Tradespeople such as electricians, plumbers, and carpenters are safe because their work involves complex hands-on problem-solving in real-world environments that machines cannot easily navigate. Every home, building, or repair job comes with unique challenges, from hidden wiring issues to unexpected structural problems that require human adaptability, critical thinking, and creativity. These professionals also rely on physical strength, spatial awareness, and practical judgment that robots struggle to replicate in non-standardized settings. Tradespeople also interact directly with clients, explaining solutions and tailoring their work to individual needs. While AI may assist with planning, the precision, adaptability, and human problem-solving at the core of these trades make them secure from automation. In conclusion, while AI continues to transform industries and automate countless tasks, some careers remain firmly rooted in human qualities that technology cannot replicate. From the empathy of healthcare workers and childcare providers to the bravery of firefighters and paramedics, these roles rely on compassion, intuition, adaptability, and trust. Rather than replacing them, AI will serve as a supportive tool, helping professionals become more efficient while leaving the heart of their work with humans. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, keep earning, keep saving, and keep investing.